Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I are not picky eaters, but we do have friends that are. Right, PNG? One Thanksgiving, we invited this fabulous couple over for dinner, and because one of them doesn't like cranberries, I had to come up with another delicious alternative just for him. Next thing you know, everyone enjoyed it as much as the traditional cranberry sauce. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my mango pineapple sauce. This condiment is great with many proteins like turkey, chicken, pork, lamb, and so on. It's an amazing substitute, especially if you have any finicky eaters in your circle. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add pineapple juice and granulated sugar. We'll stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. When the mixture is about to simmer, we can see the steam rising. We'll add the minced ginger, stir well, and bring the liquid to a gentle boil. Then we'll incorporate the mango pieces. I used 2 large mangoes, which gives me about 2.5 cups. We'll let the mixture simmer for 20 minutes. Now, during the cooking time, I like to use this kitchen tool and start breaking down my pieces. If you don't have one like this, you can use the tip of a wooden spoon or spatula. It's a little too early to use an immersion blender. The pieces are not soft enough. And we'll repeat this step a few times until the mixture looks like this. Soft with little chunks in it. Don't forget to taste and adjust if necessary. You might want to spice it up a little. When it's done, we'll remove it from the heat, transfer the sauce to a bowl to cool, before covering and transferring to the fridge, about 3 hours. And my friends, this is our mango pineapple sauce. This quick and easy condiment recipe is so delicious. Although I really enjoy my cranberry sauce, this one is a great substitute. It's another delicious sauce to serve for Thanksgiving or anytime you want to pair it with your proteins. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!